All eyes are on the Gulf watching monster storm Hurricane Milton. It has its sights set on Florida. It's going to be difficult from communities which were impacted by Helene just a few weeks ago. Now, we've received a lot of questions about what happened, how we went from H to M so quickly. We did have those storms. Now, this does follow alphabetical order. These storms were just what is known as a fish storm, and they were far in the Atlantic. They didn't really impact the land that much. We had Hurricane Isaac, that was a Category 2 hurricane, Joyce, a tropical storm, Major Hurricane Kirk, which built to a Category 4 hurricane, and Leslie, currently a Category 1. You can still see it in the Atlantic. It's way out to the west as a Category 1 hurricane. Now, it is forecasted to strengthen into a Category 2, but it's so far into the Atlantic we won't have impacts here in the United States. From there, it continues its trek up to the northeast. Now, it's following a very similar pattern to what we saw from Major Hurricane Kirk. That tore through the Atlantic as a Category 4 hurricane. It has since weakened and is just a storm system, but it's set to follow this path and bring rain to parts of Paris and France. Now, back to the Gulf. This is what we're watching. Hurricane Milton. As of our most recent update that came out at 11 a.m. today, it's still a Category 4 storm. It has weakened from what we saw early this morning when it was a Cat 5. That's because it underwent eyewall replacement. It should continue to weaken until it makes landfall as a Category 3 hurricane sometime late tonight into early tomorrow morning. The track has shifted farther south from what we saw earlier yesterday. It was headed toward Tampa. Now it has its sights set on Sarasota. It'll bring gusty winds, dangerous storm surges, and torrential rainfall to the Florida Peninsula before it continues its trek out to the east through the Atlantic Ocean. We'll continue to bring you all the latest here on CBS 19 on air, online, and on CBS 19 Plus.